literally meaning place where one may stare out to sea, the pullout at Halona Kahakai is very near the crest of the Holei Pali fault escarpment. In Hawaiian, Pali means cliff. Typically, lava flows such that its angle of repose is about a 6% grade. When it cools, the resultant slopes rarely exceed this, so any landform that is much steeper, such as at Holei Pali, generally has to have been formed by faulting or erosion. All of the lava plain spread before you down below the Pali simply broke off the main slope and dropped, in places as much as 450 meters. Although appearing volcano tough to the casual observer, the islands of Hawaii are terribly fragile constructions and, geologically speaking, don't last very long. Stop and take a moment to look down the Pali. On many days, the explosion cloud from where the lava is entering the ocean is visible southeast from here. Look at the intertwining lava flows marching across the plain below you, and imagine what it must have been like here only a few decades ago when the lava was coursing down this cliff and through the now largely destroyed Naulu forest.